Okay, so we go to the line 2 right there, and then you select construction line, and then click and drag. You basically draw. That's it. It's straightforward. Yeah, there's nothing difficult in doing this. Trust me. Then what again? So before it, so I finished the entire thing, and then what I did was I selected all of the grid line because the boxes are too tiny for me. So select all the boxes and open the property up, and then you untick the automatic option, and then instantly you get the bigger ones. Simple. And what again? Just from here, you just align it in how you want to place them. I prefer everything to be straight, and also everything has to be aligned. Yeah, so you have to decide how you want it. Let me see what else again. Double click, and then you go to the, now from here, so you decide what, either you're starting with alphabet or the numbers. So I started with a number. And you can also play around with all the options, like the font size, the font, the text. So many options. I can't go into details, as you can see. That's on your own. You can decide whatever you want to do. It's pretty much simple when it comes to some of this stuff. In Chief Architect, I give it to them. I mean, it's straightforward. Okay, so now make sure the grid line is actually aligned with the footings. Yeah, all the trenches. You just make sure everything is in line with it. So you can use the center tool or by clicking. I think it's Control and G or give you a shortcut. So basically, that's how it is. Yeah, I mean, you have to do it one by one, one after the other. So imagine if you're working with a little bit like bigger project, you have to touch every grid line and drag, align them. With other software, I think with this one, I think maybe they could do a little bit more better with it when it comes to the efficiency of it. Probably add some few options for you to, instead of clicking everything, all the grid lines, maybe just a few buttons and everything will jump into place. As I mean, I don't want to mention other softwares, but Okay, so from here, I was just trying to show you if you also want to do the footing and or the other stuff, it's also pretty much easier. Just with the primitive tools, yeah, you can just also do the footing and the column. Yeah, and I just copied and pasted everything. So from here, what I did was use the measurement tool. I prefer the point-to-point dimensions much. It's much better. Was good for me because it allows you to actually do it like a pinpoint measurement. Yeah. With this time, I prefer you use the interior dimensions. It's actually meant for this. You don't have to do click each point, but yeah, it automatically will assign the measurement. So just add the test. If it's too big, just break it. Um, make sure everything is nicely arranged. Copy and paste. There are too many options to double. You can open the property and want to highlight it or use the outline or see the border. There's another options you can do depending on whatever how you want the representation to look like. So this is the auto exterior dimension. As you can see, because it's automatic, it will give you other stuff that you might not want. So just take your time and delete those measurements you think you don't need it. What's that? Honestly, I don't like doing voiceover. Yeah, I, I think it's you know with voiceover it's much interactive than just a silent video. Yeah. Whenever I'm learning or watching tutorials on YouTube, I prefer videos with voiceover. Kind of, it makes me feel like maybe the tutor or the person is actually in front of me. I guess my voice will help you guys out. Anyway, this is a brand new channel. As you can see, I don't even think I have 5 subscribers. So please, if you watch the video up to this level, please make sure you do subscribe to my channel. Help me grow the channel. I have a bunch of videos. Actually, some most of my videos are chief architect videos, but I also be making videos about after every project. I'll actually do the 3D rendition or videos of both interior and exterior of the building, and also I'll upload it onto the channel as well for other people to use. Basically, a form of motivation and inspiration to others. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll really, really, I'll appreciate it very much. Thank you. All right. So this is section view. This is how it's going to appear. Yeah, on user cross section or and then you turn on other features. It looks crispy. Come on, very neat, and I like it. So just play around with all the tools, all the options they got, and then figure it out. That's it. Chief architect, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, is your number one tool. All right. I really like the software, especially for residential developers or designers. It's pretty much simple. It's very efficient. I don't think any software out there can beat chief architect when it comes to efficiency.